Hello everyone, my name is Peter Ainsley Hartwell and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Utopia. And today I want to give you a brief introduction to the solutions that are offered by Utopia. Utopia is a company that provides enterprise data solutions. We've been doing this since 2003 and focus solely on helping organizations make their data work for them. We have over 500 people working on 5 continents who are passionate about data. The overall approach we use is called EDLM, or Enterprise Data Lifecycle Management. This is a methodology that is unique to Utopia. Many organizations have spent a considerable amount of time, effort and money in implementing BI, BW, executive dashboards and new ERP transactional systems, but only to find that people don't trust the reports or won't take decisions based on those reports. Why? Because the underlying foundational data is not correct. This is where Utopia focuses. We focus on the structured data, most often referred to as MDM or Master Data Management, the process, not just the tools offered by companies like SAP, and also on the unstructured data, often referred to as ECM or Enterprise Contents Management. Utopia is somewhat unique in that we deal with both the structured and unstructured sides, and most importantly, the linkage between them. We cover all aspects of data management from creation all the way through to archiving. And to help organizations with this, we have developed a comprehensive portfolio of solutions that cover the complete spectrum of data requirements in an organization. Utopia has experts in strategic consulting services, where we provide advice on how to implement effective data governance within your organization, what organizational structures, processes and technologies are most appropriate for you. In addition, what priority and sequence the initiative should be in over what could be a multi-year program. And this is all done independent of what software you are currently using or what your current level of maturity or sophistication in data management processes might be. We also offer services around enterprise insight, how to make sense and use all of the data available to organizations nowadays to create actionable insights that you can use to take action and improve your company's performance. In particular, how to best utilize the big data explosion, identifying where it makes sense and where it might be just another round of hype. This includes technologies and methodologies like SAP's HANA for high-speed in-memory computing, or Hadoop for storing petabytes of data distributed on commodity hardware. Things like POL, people, objects, locations and entities, used to translate all the unstructured information coming from various sources and turning it into structured data that can be used in analysis or visualization tools like Palantir and D3. This is the same approach used by national security organizations, but applied to commercial operations. Have a look at some of the other videos we have on how big data and actionable insights might add value to your organization. Utopia is recognized internationally as a leader in the area of data migration and legacy archiving. Having received awards from organizations like Gartner, we've done hundreds of projects around the world across many different industries. We have a proven methodology and use best-in-class ETL, extract, transform and load technology to ensure that data that goes into your new ERP system is business ready, and if required, that the historical legacy data is archived and still available to the business if needed, without having to keep the old legacy systems running and incurring all the costs associated with that. In conjunction with or separate to the data migration services, we can offer data services that include measuring the quality of data used in the organization, ongoing monitoring of the changes in the data and the impact of that data quality, one-time cleansing of the data in the normal areas of customer, vendor, finance, HR, and especially for maintenance spare parts, where we have a library of over 1 million records and a taxonomy that we can use as a reference during the cleansing process. We use a combination of technologies such as SAP's Information Steward and data services, along with subject matter experts to carry out these tasks. As well as doing this as a one-time service, we can also do this as a managed or hosted service to enable organizations to maintain the required level of data quality going forward. This is often referred to as measure the data, clean the data, keep the data clean. One area where the quantity and quality of data can have a huge impact on the operations of asset-intensive industries such as oil and gas, utilities, manufacturing and airlines is enterprise asset management. There are very specific requirements for data in this area that requires specialized knowledge and approach, and includes things like structuring data to conform to international standards like ISO 14224 and ISO 15926 in the oil and gas industry, or setting up data structures to support linear asset management functionality now available in computerized maintenance management systems like Maximo and SAP. Collection of physical asset information, creation of bills of materials, spare parts lists, and maintenance strategies, or processes for managing the handover of data coming from capital projects and technologies like text data processing that can be used to automate the transformation of a lot of that information that is often in the forms of PDFs, specification sheets, engineering drawings, into a structured format required by systems like SAP. This process will always require the involvement of subject matter experts, but we can automate a significant portion of it, saving a lot of time and effort. To be able to support all of these solutions, we have developed expertise in a number of database technologies. In the SAP environment, we particularly focus on conversion of SAP applications running on various databases over to Sybase ASE. SAP HANA, the high-speed in-memory application provided by SAP, including the conversion of BI and BW to HANA, setting up advanced analytics running on HANA, and most recently, conversion of disk-based SAP ECC6 systems over to Business Suite on HANA. We also use the data services application from SAP to provide an integration hub that can be on-premise or in the cloud to integrate various applications like demand-driven technologies Replenishment Plus, a new generation demand-driven MRP solution with SAP, or Meridian's APM, Asset Performance Management System. The list of standard integration applications is continuously growing. However, we can also provide customized integration scenarios between applications in your specific environment. SAP provides a number of applications to help organizations manage their data better. Utopia provides implementation services for products such as SAP NetWeaver Master Data Management, Data Quality Management for vendor, customer, and business partner functions, and SAP Master Data Governance, or MDG, for finance, vendor, customer, materials, and products. We can also extend MDG to cover other areas such as equipment. In particular, we offer an extension of MDD for materials in the MRO space to include the standardization and classification of materials utilizing the same process we discussed earlier for data quality, but in real-time mode rather than batch mode, what we term real-time data governance. And then we get to the unstructured data management, or enterprise content management. We predominantly utilize the OpenText suite of applications to deliver solutions in this area. These include things like document management, vendor invoice management, employee file management, and so on. As you can see, Utopia has solutions that cover all areas of enterprise data lifecycle management, from structured data and ERP systems, unstructured data, and big data coming from multiple sources, from creation through to archiving. We have detailed solutions to help you and your organization gain the most benefit from all of the data available to you. To help people see how these solutions can help them, we've created Utopia Labs, a state-of-the-art facility where we can show you in real life how all these solutions fit together and can provide you with clear examples of where you can get the benefits of leading-edge data management technologies and services. We have set up a multitude of scenarios that we can show you live, all running on the cloud. We can use our data, or if you prefer, we can also use your own data and show you specifically how your data would look if it was processed using our services. I would encourage you all to view the other videos available from Utopia Data to learn more in detail about the solutions offered by Utopia and how we could assist you, to see Utopia's thought leaders presenting at conferences around the world on topics related to all aspects of enterprise data lifecycle management. And finally, to learn how a visit to Utopia Labs will help you see how the technology can be put to real use within your organization and enable you to get the most benefit from one of the most valuable assets your organization has, your data. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call on the number shown or contact me via email on peter@utopiainc.com. Thank you all very, very much for your time today. Bye.